Hi everyone. Let's take just 5 minutes today to reconnect with the present moment. We can just start with a mindful breathing meditation to become still, to breathe, and to simply be. You can do this meditation seated comfortably on a chair or on the floor. Gently close your eyes or keep them with a soft gaze. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold gently for a moment and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the coolness of the breath as it enters and warmth as it leaves your body. Now let's just breathe flow naturally. Just observe your breathing, the rising and flowing, falling, the rising and falling. Let's take 5 minutes today to reconnect with the present moment for the mindful breathing meditation. To become still, to breathe, and to simply be. You can do this meditation seated comfortably on a chair or on the floor. Gently close your eyes or keep them with a soft gaze. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold gently for a moment and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel the coolness of the breath as it enters and the warmth as it leaves your body. Now let your breath flow naturally. Just observe it, the rising and falling, the breathing which is flowing in and out. Observe your breathing while you inhale and exhale. Just say it in your mind that you are here, you are safe, you are present. Now gently bring your attention to your body. Feel your feet touching the floor. Feel your body supported by the earth. Notice any areas of tension. Allow your shoulders to drop. Soften your jaw. Unclench your hands. Now slowly scan your body from the crown of your head all the way down to your toes. Observe each sensation without judgment, with calm awareness. Thoughts may come and go. That's completely okay. You're not here to stop your thoughts. Just observe them. Just observe your thoughts. See them like passing clouds in the sky. No need to hold on, just watch them drift. And if your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the breathe, back to this moment, back to now. Now place one hand over your heart, on your chest. Just feel its warmth, feel its rhythm. Be present with yourself. Take this moment to thank yourself for showing up, for choosing stillness, for caring for your inner self. Start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Just wiggle your fingers and toes. And then you're ready. And when you're ready, slowly come back to the present. Slowly come back to the present. Just observe the breathing. Just observe each and every part of your body. From the head to the toes, just observe and relax. And again, gently inhale and exhale. Gently inhale and exhale. Just feel the positivity. Just bring to your mind with the positive thoughts. Just to say yourself that you are happy, you're safe, you're happy, you're safe. Just bring consciousness to your body, each and every part of your body. Just give gentle movements to your hands, your legs. Just gentle movements to your hands, legs. Slowly try to open your eyes and carry this peace with you into the rest of your day. Even a few mindful breaths can shift your entire energy. Slowly open your eyes. Stay grounded, stay mindful, stay well. Thank you.